Hi, this is Mohammed Sadiq here. In this particular video, you'll learn how do we create a bar chart in Python using the matplotlib library. Now, what is a bar chart? So when I talk about a bar chart is nothing but a chart where the information is shown in the form of a vertical bars. Each bar is representing a categorical information, and the length of the bar represents the actual value for that particular each category. Now we'll see how do we create this particular bar chart in Python using the matplotlib library. Now, if I am creating this particular matplotlib library, so first I need to import this library here. So for importing, I'm just importing matplotlib.pyplot. Okay, is a library I'm importing, and I'm referring this with the alias name as PLT so that I don't have to keep calling this particular whole long name again and again. I can use with this short name, alias name. Now, if I have to create this particular bar chart, we need two parameters. One is the information which flows in the x-axis, that is the categorical information. And this will be the information which will be flowing in the y-axis, the vertical bars, so which is a measurable value. Now, in the categorical information, I have just taken this particular, the different quarterly wise sales, okay, the Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. And accordingly, you can see I just have this particular data here, the sales data. So 3,400, this is a sales data for Q1, this is a sales data for Q2, this is a sales data for Q3, and I say this is a sales data for Q4. I've just taken this, and for creating this particular chart, so I have just referred to this PLT, which is the alias of matplotlib.pyplot library, has this method called as a bar. So bar method is going to create what type of chart? I want to create a bar chart here. And then I'm just passing two information. One is the data which has to flow in your x-axis. So that is like, the categories. Okay. So I just want to have this particular as category 1, category 2, 3, and 4. The sales, the y-axis, the information, that is your sales is going to be your information for your y-axis. So which is going to be a vertical bars, which is representing the actual sales value. So I just pass these two parameters, and then I want to show this particular graph. I'll just say plt.show. So, okay, this will just try to display the chart. See, when I run this particular code, you can see I'm just getting this particular chart. So, which is something like this. So, when you observe in this particular thing here, the 4 bars are being created, which is representing this value for Q1, 2, and 3, and 4. So now they can see the Q2 has done the highest sales. It is more than 5,000, and Q3 has done the lowest sales. So when you see in your actual data also, so this is 800, whereas Q2 is 5,600. Comparatively, Q4 has done a sales of 3,000, which is something like this. So I can compare between the each category wise how much sales they have been done. So this is how we create a bar chart using a matplotlib library in the Pyplot. Thank you for watching.